So what we're going to try and do in this activity is we're going to try and get 2 forks and a toothpick to balance on the top of a very sharp point. In this case, we're going to use a bamboo skewer. So what you're going to need is a glass, a toothpick, a bamboo skewer, 2 identical forks. I have 2 here just to show you that there are, you might want to try out a few different forks to see which ones work, and a little bit of sellotape. Now I just want to show you these forks that I tried. They have kind of curved edges out here, and when you try and put these 2 together, they don't actually link together, so those forks won't work. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to push the 2 forks together. So you put the prongs, line the prongs up, and then push them together like that. That might take a little bit of work. You want to push them together really hard, so a parent might do that piece. And then what you're going to do is take the toothpick and put it in between the first 2 prongs of the fork. Now, if you can get the 3 to line up right, you should be able to balance the fork on your finger like that. So now the 2 forks will balance on the tip of your finger. Now the reason for that is the weight in the forks, the actual center of mass of the 2 forks is a bit like the balancing bird that we did, that the center of mass is underneath where my finger is. Now what we're going to do is we're going to now try and place this toothpick, instead of on my finger, which is an easy thing to balance on, we're going to try and balance it on a very sharp point. So you could use a pencil. What we're going to do here is we're going to use a bamboo skewer and a glass. So we're going to take the bamboo skewer and we're going to tape it to the side of the glass. This is just to make sure that the skewer doesn't fall over, and you need a little bit of weight in the glass to hold it up. So now we have a very sharp point up here, and what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and get the 2 forks to balance on the tip of that point if we can. So we're going to do that again. We're going to put the toothpick in, and we're going to find the center of mass of the object and then try and get it to balance on the tip of this. Get it working right, you can get the whole thing to balance.